Hello, I am Dr. Piyush Rai, practicing at Varanasi Vishwam Heart Care at Ravindpuri. Today, friends, I would like to discuss the problem of hypertension with all you. Hypertension is a very important problem in our society and it affects a significant proportion of patients who are elderly. In one study, around one third of the uh, older patients in urban area and one fourth of the patients in rural area were affected with this condition. This condition occupies a huge burden on our health sector and it causes silent damage because the symptoms of hypertension are not prominent from outwards. But if it is left untreated for long, then it can lead to stroke, renal failure, heart failure, and a variety of other conditions. So today I would like to discuss with you some important practices that can help you control your blood pressure and let it not go uncontrolled. Some important practices are keep eating a healthy diet. Healthy diet is one which contains green leafy vegetables, fruits, less of calorie, and whole grains like barley, oatmeal, and legumes. And the oil which is used should not be coconut oil. Other than this, any oil can be used, but if available, then olive oil or safflower oil can be beneficial for the heart conditions. Apart from diet, the other factors to be considered as to maintain a good physical activity. By good physical activity, we mean that a moderate physical activity that which increases heart rate and induces some sweating for around 30 minutes to 1 hour daily helps you control blood pressure. The activities which can include are swimming, brisk walking, jogging, running. These are the activities which can help your heart. And apart from that, the things we should not do are we should not smoke. The smoking is a very important factor for causing blood pressure as well as other heart conditions like heart attack. And apart from these, the things that we should do, we if we are taking alcohol, then it should be kept in moderation. So if you follow these advices, then we are more likely to keep our blood pressure in check. Any of these practices, if used, has a good effect in controlling blood pressure. And if you use more than one condition, then it becomes additive. So we might not need any antihypertensive in future. Even if you are hypertensive, these interventions help in controlling blood pressure more effectively and less use of the drugs. So dear friends, I hope you understand the problem and you should follow these activities for your blood pressure and a healthy heart. Thank you.